Hello traders! Today we're diving into Pocket Option, one of the fastest growing platforms in online trading. In just a few minutes, you'll discover how simple strategies can turn small moves into real opportunities. Stay tuned, because this might be the breakthrough you've been waiting for.
Okay, friends, I'm sure you know the risks that come with trading. So let's not waste time. Let's jump in and use the software to analyze today's market. Our first step is to choose the currency pair. This will be the foundation for the trades we're about to analyze. Our next step is linking the software to Pocket Option. Once it's connected, you should see the Pocket Option logo displayed here. Next, choose the signal duration and make sure it aligns with the trading time frame you're using. Just hit confirm, then relax and wait for the signal to come in. All right, I just entered the sell trade following the signal from our software. Simple and straightforward. So, for Euro USD, the software gave us a sell signal. And look at that, the price dropped right away. That means the signal is delivered 100% in real time. Friends, if you want to download this software, just head to the video description for more info. Okay, friends, stay with me until the end of this video. You'll see exactly how this software works, and you can judge for yourself. And of course, make sure to subscribe to this channel so you don't miss the next videos. Friends, these are today's trading results. As you can see, effective trading doesn't require long hours in the market.
Thank you for watching to the end, and make sure to subscribe for more strategies and insights. And for those who want to download this software, just check the video description for more information. See you in the next video!